everybody, and welcome to my channel. What I'm going to show you today is how to list an item on Kitely Marketplace. I'm going to put this outfit up for sale, this dress, and here's my vendor, and I have named it and checked the permissions, put my items in along with the alpha. So now I'll take it into my inventory under my Sunmade Fashions vendor folder. So there it is. There's the alpha layer and the demo so people can try it on. So now we'll go to Kitely, and then this is the main page. Then we'll go to products, and then we will add product, and we'll go to that same folder and click our dress. Oops. Sorry about that. And then we will go in and change the category here. This is a required category, and go to dresses and press OK. And then the maturity, this would be general. And if we had a variation of colors, this is just a blue and black tunic. If we had green and black or pink and black, we would put that in here and just put tunic dress up here. But right now I'm just showing you how to just do one listing. So next we'll do the price, and then we will make sure that the export is clicked so people can take it into other worlds. Then we are going to go to manage images and find our image. There it is. And then we would press close as soon as it comes up. I don't know, it's taking long. There we go. Press close. So there that is. So then we go down here to department, the attributes, and we want to put it as woman. Clothing style is business, but also I would add casual as well. So you have two categories. Movement, it's rigged. I don't usually put clothing material. Color only if there's different colors. If it's a birthday or a Halloween outfit, I would put that in here. Theme is more, Western, steampunk, that type of thing. We're going to skip that. Then we are going to check our permissions and make sure everything's in. Then go in and into our folder and choose the alpha and the demo and add that. Make sure those permissions are correct. Then you want to go to change description, and I'm just going to put this for now. I would add more, like how many sizes and so on and so forth. The only thing that you do have to really be careful of is making sure that you have this in there with actual permission to resell. Like I'm reselling Meshit's tunic dress. Make sure you have that in there. It is required now, so make sure you have that placed in there. Then we'll check everything, make sure everything's good, and it all looks good. I will definitely be adding more colors to this, so I will tweak this a little bit later, but for now I'm just showing you how to do this. So we'll accept changes, then we'll go back to the market and go to the newest, and there it is. It's the black and blue tunic dress. And so now people can purchase it. They can get the demo. They can check everything. You can do what you need to do there. And so anyways, I hope this was helpful. I know I would have loved to have a tutorial when I first started out in 2011. Seems impossible, but it's true. So anyways, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And thank you for watching my tutorial. So have a great day. Bye.